Hey there! In Java, variables are like containers that hold stuff for us. We can put numbers, words, or other things we want to remember inside these containers, and then use them later in our program. To make a container, we need to give it a name and tell Java what kind of thing we want to put inside. For example, if we want to remember the number 10, we can make a container called myNumber and tell Java it's going to hold an integer, which means a whole number. Then we put the number 10 inside the container like this. Int myNumber equals 10. We can also make containers for other things like words, decimals, or true/false statements. Remember, when we make a container, we have to give it a name that makes sense and is easy to remember. And we can always change what's inside the container whenever we want. That's it for now. If you liked learning about Java variables, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun programming lessons. Thanks for watching.